Hello everybody and welcome to another public S&B video. It's going to be a great video about S&B and live trading examples and also more about the Discord and which trading platform I prefer to use. Now, I'm currently in a trade on Delta. I'm in two trades. So I've just entered an engine trade and I've just entered a Tomo trade, which is an older trade I had in yesterday. Now, I entered again using the LL structure. Now, these are the key entries and exits. This pink line and this orange represents something. Now, I'm on the 5 minute. I usually trade on the 5 minute to the 15 minute. At the moment, this pink line needs to hold. If I see that this pink line is rejecting, like it could possibly do in a second, I will close this trade because this will be a key exit. Now, this could also be a key entry if it holds here and then back up, but I'm thinking that it's actually going to start going below. Now we're at 14%, 13%. I will watch this carefully, and then if I'm happy with this trade, I might just take it. Now, I'm only trading with a small amount, so it's nothing too major. Even if it goes to 30%, it won't be anything too special. Now, I'm just testing different altcoins. I'm not putting big dollars first. There's a couple of favorite altcoins I trade with, and I'm about an 8 or 9 win streak in a row on Delta, on around 10x leverage, and each trade has been up to 10% to 20 to 30% profit each time, sometimes a little bit more. Now, I see this trade, obviously, it seems like on the 5 minute, it looks like it's unsure, but if I go to the 1 minute, we can see it more in action what's going on. So we can also use the 1 minute, but technically we can see this, as we can see, these short calls are not ideal for the 1 minute. They are ideal for the 5 and 15 minute, okay? So please keep that in mind if you have the S&B auto indicator. Now we're at 17% up. This is holding this key entry and exit. And if we go back in time, we can see that price pushed below this, and once it pushed above and held, this was a great entry. So right here, if we entered perfectly, that's 2%, a little bit more than 2%, which is pretty much what my entry was with the LL strategy. LL strategy standing for lazy lion, and you can set your trade to walk away. So you don't even need to be on the computer all day. You can set your trades, walk away, and then come back. Now, of course, recommend that you use stop losses, etc. Now, to join the Discord, check out the description. There's a link to the Discord. Method testimonials. S&B method told me to long, so I listened to one trade for the day. Listen to one trade for the day one win for the day. That's all I need. Thank you, guys. Legend. These guys are making a killing. All these members doing really well. Well done, guys. Really well done. All right, now we can see this trade is going against us, so it's time to take that profit at 10%. Nothing wrong with that. Sometimes you have to accept it. Yes, this can obviously bounce back up because the candle hasn't closed. 14 seconds till it closes. Now 10 seconds. But I'm happy with that little trade. Honestly, on 10x, 10%, easy as that. Honestly, a lot of people are chasing those 100x trades, etc. That's where you're going to get stopped out and lose a lot of your profit because no legitimate trader trades with 100x. So if we go, if you just saw that in live motion, SNB told us with this red X, told us that a dump was coming. Lucky we took that profit because now it dumped hard. Okay, so if we go to Tomo, is a great live example of SNB. That's why you switch to the 1 minute to see what's really happening. So as we can see, it dumped. That was a nasty dump, and we wouldn't even be in profit. So if this holds, so if we go to a 5 minute, that was a massive dump. And we saw that this key entry SNB line, this pink line, it's not support, it's not resistance, it acts as if, but it's not. It's for scalping. And these are based off statistics and fundamentals. And these are real trading entries and exits. No guesswork, no bullshit, no triple candles, nothing like that. No candle analysis. Though candle analysis on the 15 minute can work. But as we can see just there, if we switch to whatever candle, we saw that dump in real time. And that was a very nasty dump. And we are glad that we got out of that trade. We made a quick 10%. And now we are happy. We're not entering this again. We're just waiting. So if we go to our other coin that we're trading, Engine coin. Now let's check out our other entry, which is the engine coin. We have a few confirmations, including this long call on the 5 minute. That's one confirmation. Near this orange, as we can see, we have an orange here, a pink here, and an orange here. It all stands for something. This orange here is what I'm technically going for. Now, this is not support resistance. As you can see, it might be acting as support and resistance, but it's not. This is not based off any other time frame trades. This is just set on one time frame. You can trade on any time frame with these lines. They do not change. 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minutes, etc. Now, extra confirmations, like I said, right here was a good part to get in. Why? Because we are at this orange line here, and this orange line is one of our key entries, one of the best entry points we have if it holds. As we can see, we can have the tweezers at there, where the wicks touch it, and if you had an LL order on this line, you would have filled, and you would already be up almost 1% profit. Now, we are up 0.98%, just a small little trade. It's an example just of this video. As we saw just on Tomo, it dumped pretty hardcore. So we got in and got out of profit, easy as that, added more to the account balance, which isn't much, though soon I'll be transferring a substantial amount to Delta to start really trading these altcoins, because a lot of people are trading Bitcoin, etc. And honestly, it's not ideal. Now, like I said, check this out. Definitely SNB has changed a lot of lives. Method testimonials, check it out. Real results, people making a killing. A lot of people making good trades. Vino, he's fairly new, 162%, 94%, 51%, 36%. He trades a lot of times on 100x, which you can, though obviously I recommend starting 10x, 10 to 15x, 6%, 36%, etc., etc. These people making a killing. So that's what he messaged me. He said, hi, I would like to join the SMB. How do I make the payment? Which was 9th of December, which isn't even a month ago. And he goes, and then I said, hi, mate, I can send you a BTC address. Once received, you get all the videos and access. Let me know. So those videos are, obviously, we don't do the one-on-one. We have uploaded videos private on a different site. So you can check that out at your own leisure. So we have private videos that you watch, and it's simple as that. So, very good. Have any his trades making a killing. SNB rocks, fantastic Vino, SNB. All these guys making a killing. Crypto Joker, SNB simplicity and accuracy. All the SNB lines, key entries and exits. You see on this there may be more lines. They all mean something. I trade with the generally only 3 lines, and I do trade with 6 lines, but they mean different things. So I run that through the in the tutorial videos. Very easy to understand. Most people rate it about a 2 out of 10 difficulty, 3 out of 10. Now, if we go to Bybit, guys, we'll have a look at Bybit. So check out Bybit. I've got a little bit of amount in here, and it's honestly like a decent exchange. I personally prefer Delta, which I'll be transferring a lot of funds over to Delta, but I've had some good wins on Bybit. So if you're looking at Bybit, Bybit is definitely recommended, though I personally prefer Delta Exchange. Obviously, Bybit offers you all these extras and stuff like that, but Delta also do, and Delta has lower fees because if you trade under my link, you get an additional 10% off trading fees. Now, Bitseven is not a bad exchange either, though I prefer to use Delta. That's the winning combination for me is Delta and SNB because there's so many different coins to trade. You don't need to worry about all these other coins, Bitcoin, XRP, etc. You have all this on Delta, but you can trade with other coins. You don't need to worry about not having the access to all these different coins because on Delta you have it all. You have all these coins: Raven, Atom, Bat, Waves is a new one, Tomo, ADA, Cardano, Engine Coin, EOS, Matic Network, Chainlink, Tezos, Stellar, BSV, Bitcoin, Satoshi Vision, Leo, BNB, Binance Coin, Litecoin, XRP, all these really good coins. And I personally think it's a really, really, really good site to trade on, and I really like it. Now, so far we're still going up. We're up 4% right now, so that's not too bad. Like I said, it's just small little wins. I'll be transferring more of my amount from Bybit all the way to Delta. And like I said, I'm just testing out which coins work the best. SNB room, I'm telling the guys what works best for me. The altcoins are definitely working best for me. Bitcoin is, you have some nasty price spikes and price dumps of Bitcoin. So not a big fan personally of trading Bitcoin itself. I prefer to trade the altcoins, which is why Delta Exchange is fantastic. So guys, check it out. If you want to join S&B, come and join. The price will be going up soon. Um, Over 85 happy members and counting. So come and join, be part of a community. If you want to be part of a legit community, come and join to advance your learnings. Then we are ready when you are. Current price is 0.033 Bitcoin. You get access to all the unlocked rooms, which is the S&B tutorials room, signals, Cypher Beast, which are third-party indicators, which cost up to $2,000. Forex Room, Optimus Room. Forex Room is great, very active. Hidden Gems, which is like undervalued coins and investing. Not financial advice, it's financial opinion. Live Trade Room, which is very active, and you get access to the Cangrons programming and the Twitter whale alerts. So anyway, guys, take it easy. Hope your trading's going well, and let's see what happens.